Dear future me, okay, I have to admit that it is a little weird to talk to you, maybe more than talking to my younger self, younger ourself. Where to start? I'm way too curious. Currently, we're under lockdown, and I think you're going to remember this for a while. How's your life? Do you finally get your own apartment back? Do you still live in France? What about your project to go abroad? How is it going? Do you change your mind about the country again? And what about your studies? Did you get your bus driver license that I'm currently working on? Did you went back to the university to earn your degree? Or even started something new outside of teaching? Maybe in medicine? Or did you went back to your cooking studies? While we're talking about cooking, are you finally 100% vegetarian with no deviation? If not, just know that I am already really proud of you for all the improvement you might have done yet. By the way, speaking of improvements and progress, I hope you still drink 2 liters of water per day and that you kept going with the sport practice. It is really important, especially for your knees. I hope you're finally feeling good. Even if it is more or less the case right now, but I hope you're feeling even more better in your body and more important in your mind. Not that you hate yourself, but I really do hope that you strike a balance that suits you and is not destroying you. Are you eating and sleeping well? Wait! Are you still eating an incredible amount of chocolate? And what about toxic relationships that you might have had in your life? Are you over them? Do you notice them quicker to avoid suffering? While thinking about that, I asked for your studies, but what about work? What are you doing? A work you truly enjoy and in which you blossom? At least I hope so. If it's not, I hope that it is temporary and that you'll change something so that you're happy working. And what about your relationships? Have you found the one that brings you joy? That respects you and reminds you every day how a wonderful person you are, but in the same way pushing you to the best version of yourself? Is it the guy you're really attached to right now? If so, just do everything you can so that your relationship really works, because you might regret it. Because you might regret it if it ever comes to an end. And if you're alone, that's because it has to be this way, and that I'm sorry for you. Do you finally have an animal with you? Do you still travel? Where have you been since I'm writing you this? What did you learn? What have you discovered? Do you still make videos on YouTube? But more important than all of the questions I've asked, are you proud of yourself? If you are, then I cannot be happier than to know that I will be happy and proud of myself when I'll be reading this letter. And if all my questions make you doubt of yourself, just ignore them. You are proud of you, of your life, and this is all that matters. But if you're not, just know that I am. I am proud of you. You went through all the things that happened in your life until now, and I'm quite sure that there were lots. No matter what, don't change the person you've become. Because as Liam from One Direction said in Best Song Ever, you stay the way you are because you are perfect. I might have a lot of things to go through before becoming you, but I can't wait to be that person. Because I truly believe in you.